been using the multi-tool in a variety of applications. Today we're working on a deck, and we had to correct a butt joint, that was already had been put together, and this thing we've been able to plunge it down in between it and cut it back and forth and slide our decking together. It worked out really good.
Just got done using the 20-volt multi-tool to scarify the concrete down here to clean it up to allow for the caulk to set better. After we set the door, we'll take the tool and cut all the shims free. Much easier than using the knife, quicker, a lot less time for us, makes us a lot more money.
Well, typically I use a razor blade, just a box knife to cut this, but with this application is a lot easier, and the blade cuts really clean and fast.
Yeah, I love the multi-tool. It does everything I need to get into tight spots, and use it for anywhere I can't get a circular saw into, jigsaw. Basically don't even use a palm sander anymore. Find this a lot easier to use, and I think the power is great. It'll cut through anything I've asked it to.
It's anything from, it seems like wood, metal, vinyl, 100% PVC, such as the decking we're using right now. It seems to get through all those materials really well.
Runtime's amazing. 20-volt platform is incredible. I mean, we can run impacts all day almost on a half pack, where this, you're not using it as much, and it'll still run hours.
Depending on the application, I rarely have to switch the batteries. I'll set this door, do the grinding that I did, and trim all the shims and any other small things. I'll use one battery, one fully charged battery. It's very easy to hold on to. I love it. Yeah, you can't beat
With
it.
the blade change, the light on the front here, the way it fits your hand and the runtime, this tool just, is far superior over any other multi-tools.